Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news the American economy grew at a substantially faster pace in the third quarter than first thought. In the second quarter, the US economy grew 1.3%. The Commerce Department there increased its third quarter estimate from 2% to 2.7 annual rate, but economists do not see that level continuing. Weekly jobless claims fell, but the 4-week average remained high. Also not coming up to expectations were retail sales in November. Major chains including Macy's, Nordstrom, Kohl's and Target said their sales declined in November, which included the important Black Friday kick-off to the holiday shopping season. In the UK, the outgoing Bank of England governor said British banks may be underestimating the risks facing them and should be urged to raise their reserves. Their big four banks could need £35 billion in new capital, and they could be forced into raising new capital soon. The AFR is reporting in Australia that the Russian central bank is increasing its Australian dollar buying by at least $20 billion and could want up to 10% of its reserves in Australian currency assets, making it harder for the RBA to push down the currency. Like New Zealand, Australia is reviewing its official interest rates next week. Today is a special day for the NZX and Fonterra as its new farmers market, the TAF, is being launched. Bernard Hickey will be reporting in from Darfield, where Fonterra is opening a new dairy factory, and the senior Fonterra brass have gathered to celebrate the start of their new capital structure. The high level of offshore interest in Fonterra will no doubt keep upward pressure on the New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar ended the month at 82.2 US cents and 73.5 on the TWI. What is remarkable about these levels is that they're almost the same as at the end of October and the end of September. In fact, they're close to almost being the same levels at the end of March. The rate may be higher than some commodity manufacturers want, but rate volatility has been low for most of this year. I'm David Chaston, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.